Katwala is in the sensitive area. That is from Chagu Road. Paka wali ku fire. It starts from there. That's Chagu Road up to fire. That is Entebbe Road. Ninga wola wana bonaba na Uganda. So it is our project as Uganda. It we now banji close to 4,000 people. What we na day shift, to night shift. Nenga tuguretain is obera no solo kula. It is 12 meters. Really gwali mutono. Gwali around 6 meters. Katugwa deto. You can even see from there. Aha. Katumwala gutandikira kuli ne gujja ne gukomeno. But right now it is 12 meters. Ne tugwa flood control chamber. Kiba kitegeza wansi tegasobola ku flood. We projected at least minimum of 70 years water flow. Nga tubaze upstream ne downstream. Tuze tugustudying for some time research. Okulaba rains engeri behaving amazzi tukolesa genkanawa once it rains. So eventually tubadde ne studies nyingi ku mwala guno tunagukola. Kati that is what we are implementing now. Filtration centers, mutujira silt ezo, inspection chambers nga guwedde omuntu ayingira mugulimu amasannyalaze, so it's easy to inspect. Now all our modern channels ebweru Washington, New York, kati benchmark gye twatutte bayinginiya baffe twabatwala ebweru ne bagenda ne bakola benchmarking in different countries. Mwalimu na Ivory Coast kuba ino omala gwe bakoze nga guyita mu kibuga nga guno gwennyini. The main challenges were not just one. The very first one was the fact that it was open. So they were putting in solid waste. This was a channel that was designed to take storm water. But when you put in solid waste, that interferes with the flow. So it leads to blockages. That was one of the challenges. The next challenge was it was a form of insecurity. We had a lot of thieves snitching ladies' bags, phones, and hiding into the channel. So that one has been completely, totally eliminated. But also still from a general perspective, these utilities that are of the interest to the community, the solution should come from within. We should start doing these things ourselves and don't wait for donors. So it is very important if we as Ugandans can at least implement this fully to its capacity. We just put a mere shear walls interruptions just for strength, but majority of it is open. So the stock, the retaining wall is put in between the shear walls just to maintain the strength of the channel, regardless of the volumes of the water. How do they clean it? No, we have inspection centers. We have entrances at different intervals. Every after 30 meters, you can access down. But those ones are just for controlled people that manage the drainage stock.